Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Lady Ann went live again to continue to burn out scientists for his alleged molestation of her when she was a young girl. And remember the other day when I said that I asked her to provide some proof of the notes, should I say the text messages? She did provide proof, so I'll provide that right now, and right after that, the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. This is Talking News.
Come, I forgot to address this. Yeah, I really forgot to address this. Just share the live, ladies and gentle people. Share the live, share the live, yeah. Cause this, after you address this, I get total unknown. Yeah. Just share the live, share it more everybody over here before me start going at the story. I know I'm familiar with the story and where did I go on. So share the live, make me go in it. And if you can tag Mandingo, whoever Mandingo is in it, I'm gonna tag him in the live for me to know. Yes. Share the live. Alright. I'm going it now. I come forth the other day and I said, when I was a teenager, I go through a lot of abuse in the music industry. I talk about the raper man who tried to rape me when I come from the dance them. And I also talk about the engineer that's tried to rape me inside a King Tubby's studio. Alright. When me do the live and talk about what I've been through, I never call anybody name. Okay, Friday me take my daughter back to college. Maybe I call from scientist, because I call him name now. Scientist call me and say, Ann, somebody send me a live where you talk about me rape you. I say, scientist, me never say rape me, because you never rape me. But now that you're on the phone, didn't you used to try to hold me down and feed me up in a tubby studio? Him say yes. So I say, so why are you calling me now? Why are we having this conversation? Him say, because him say, him rape me, and let him explain to me what rape is. When my husband hear him say that, my husband say, hang up on the punk. So I hang up my phone on him. And I leave it at that. Okay, since evening I'm in here waiting for my friend to come pick me up so I could go pay some bill. And him that call. Lady, and some scientists come off of my blood clot phone. Where you call me every minute, but somebody send video to you and somebody send live to you. Not when we say about you no lie, everything is true. So why are you keep calling me? Why are you keep antagonizing me? I me hang up my phone upon him. Who tell me if you go hang up my phone pan dirty Nazi scientists? Me have to text them people, but me don't know nothing about phone. So me go wait till either my daughter come over here, my son gone. When them come, me go make them take them off and me go put for IG, me go put for Facebook, me put for everything and me send to every blogger. The boy write me, send me text, you know? Me should have this scream and me want dirty bitch. Why me never bar scream out? Ladies, when I'm gentle people, when me do the live, don't me did say me that make nice in the device room, but through him lock off the board, nobody couldn't hear me. Cause what he did before him come adjust my headphone, he locked off the mic. So and him lock off his sound, so no cure me a scream round there, nobody couldn't hear me. And I never used to talk about it because like me say me feel violated. Alright. I be a white Mary and I'm wear. So me lift up my clothes and show them. I be a them wear. Me have them by the dozen. And the reason for me to wear them, I don't have any breasts. In them time when me was young, me look up something them start to peep out. Me call them Bobby. Them is just start to peep out. And we had the man hold me and squeeze a little thing them in my breast. It so hurt. My breast them tunted, them no grow no more. In tunted, my breast them no grow. Dirty nasty scientist, I do me a chat too. He used to tear my panty off of me and push him under my pocket and smell it, that nasty bitch. And I talk about me smell good. The ladies, dirty nasty scientist, me not tell no lie pan ya. Come text me about me a bitch scientist, no scientist. And your mother the bitch. Yeah. You know why? Cause she should I teach you say, you know, for molest young girls. You have to keep your hand to your side. She should have teach you say no for try for rape little girls. You must have sex with when it is given to you. I must feel when someone tell you to feel. Me never call if you come feel me up. You supposed to have just made phone. Every time if you go in the studio for record a session, scientists you molest me. Scientists you feel me up and squeeze up me little bobby them till them taunted. You dirty nasty Hopeton brown or whatever your name is. I know you're going to let me tell a lie on you. Me not tell a lie on you, son. One time I said to you, say, why you keep molesting me? You said Toby say, you know, for trouble film daughter Annette. I didn't even know that Toby's have a daughter named Annette. You said Toby say, you know, for trouble him daughter named Annette. Say Annette, they are she for got trouble. And you take a sec for me. That's when I tell me I wonder, because the studio, Toby's place it for that camera. Me I wonder if Toby's a watch up on the camera and molest me. Me don't wonder that. That me just never like him in my heart. Me I say a big line like that. I encourage you to molest me as a little girl. Not even that me never talk scientist. When me I talk, me never talk. So you say that. Used to violate me, used to make me feel like shit. Used to let me sit down and cry. You make me can't have sex in peace. Scientist, so we are talk about. Dirty nasty scientist, what are you talking about? I never, yes, I'm a birthday party in March 2016, a year or 2 years ago. I did call a name. When I called Sammy Dread for come talk about my child, or contribute to my business, but say when dirty scientists did I try for rape me. Scientists, me never say rape me. Me never say, scientists say for the rape me. You did come down my backyard now, come start the engineer work. You did come at Channel 1 studio now, scientists here top with a blow off. Yeah, come my backyard up. And you never don't get away with it. When it start work at any of the rape run at Tubbies, me a talk on the live, I tell you say, you head up with a blow off. When you come at Channel 1, come start work at my backyard that you come. At my playground that you come. Scientists, you make me not no breast. Because you used to hold me and squeeze up little thing them down my bobby. And then taunted and never grow again. Them never bother grow. Because of you. Nasty scientist. When you come for the life no scientist, somebody tag him now. When you don't know him number, I live in California, when you tag him now. Tag him. And ladies and gentlemen, you know what him do me? Some people he want a show for me and him get my number from Jalife. And call me for the show. Right? And the people make him send the money to him for putting on my account. Him not only rob $100 out of the money. When me there at the hotel now, cause him look about everything. Cause me plan for rape me again, but him the thing say me a little fool little girl. Him never know say me get big and dangerous now. When me got California, him did get to do everything. Me don't remember California or San Diego, one of them. And me got him did give me the hotel key and everything, cause him them go through. Cause him them go through for find me. The promoter go through him. So when him give me the key and me hotel, me see him coming there behind me. I try the lamp and give him a blood clot. Like you say, I say you think a little blood clot, like a young girl, they say where you molest in a Tommy's studio. Come scientist, come talk your truth. Somebody tag him for the life. Since you say me I want dirty bitch and a lie, me I tell for you. I never do anything to me. And a lie, me I tell. Come here, quick talk. When we come to California for the first time, to come to the show, come tell the people, you never come to me and tell that you hold me. I'm going to lick you with the blood clot lamp. I say, pussy, you think you can ramp with me like when me a pick me? I'm going to put her through my hotel door. I'm going to put her through my hotel door and tell the promoter, say, tell her don't come back. No one hear me. And the man who why me said nothing. All them telling me still I cover up for you, scientists. Scientists, you try to rape me more than once. You try to rape me more than once, scientists. Scientists, it whip down my panty down to my knee and you feel me up. You feel me up. And you squeeze up my breast, them scientists. Nasty scientists. You did. It's just too many young I never know if you talk and I was ashamed and embarrassed of what people don't say. That's why the day on the man beat you with the board nice true that it's sweet because it did feel me up earlier. When the light gone on the man and the man beat you with the board, you know who beat you with the board, we did a laugh. Because it did sweet me. Dirty nasty scientists. Dirty scientists. When me do the live, me never say yo. Me just say Tom is true though. But you're guilty. You're guilty. You're guilty scientists. And I send me text message that Mandingo sent to you, whoever Mandingo is. Scientists, come and know that you have a chance. Come no scientists. Just like how you text me and a call me. Come on the live now, no scientists. Come talk your truth. Cause me I talk my truth, so you come talk your truth. Scientists, come talk your truth. Come talk now. Scientists, when you admit it Friday, you never know me record you. When you admit it Friday, me record you, know. Me record you, know, scientists. Scientists, come talk your truth now. Scientists are the engineer who mix some of the big bad tune them from. He used to work at King Tubby's tune that they same learn. And then he move on from King Tubby's tune to Channel 1. Scientists, come talk now. Scientists, come talk now. Scientists, you say all them texts that you send me, me gonna give them to every blogger. And if me know who Mandingo is, me gonna send all them texts to Mandingo. Oh, you call me bitch. Boy, you call me bitch. Scientists, and you make me no breast. Cause me breast them they just a grow. Look here. Let me show the people them why me have to be a marina. See there? Me no other breast. Because them they just start to grow. And we am feel them and squeeze them hard. It's like, sit there. That's how we be a white marina. The way I'm squeeze my breast them and feel them hard people. Them never grow. Them stunted. The way him feel up my breast. Them never grow the breast. Them stunted. Stunted. Me not no recording of him a text message him send. Text message. The dirty boy molest me. When me a little picnic. Dirty nasty Hopeton Brown aka scientist. Was one of the baddest engineers out of Jamaica. He pray upon me as a little girl. Pray upon me. Me could have gone advice from where I record me song them in peace. He molest me like a young pum. Cause me never have pussy at a tun me did that. Me just a grow ear and them something there. He molest me young little chunny. He molest it with him finger. He never molest it with him dick. If me the fool him that molest it with him dick. Scientists, you molest me young pum. I'm a breast them. Scientists, you make me on a breast. You feel them so till them stunted. Them never grow again. So we have to talk about scientists. And when you feel up my pum, you smell it, you nasty, dirty ass, you. And talk about me smell good. Dirty, nasty scientists. Come on the live now. Come on the live, make me add you. Come talk your truth since I lie me I tell. Come the scientists, come talk your truth. Come the nasty scientists. You'll rape you. If me never turn up strong, you'd have rape me. And you know why you couldn't rape me? Because you did have the people in session for do. If you never have the people in session for doing that, probably rape me. And then that probably come in to come see where I go on. When Daniels used to carry me, guys through them, Mr. Guys through them with John them, and everybody scientists say, molest me. Scientists, you molest me. So you come call me bitch. But me's a stupid bitch, and why me never scream? Yes, I did scream. But you turn off the board. So Sammy J them and Michael Prophet them couldn't hear so my life, man. Me not nobody call me, man. Me dey for my life. Scientists, you molest me. As a little girl, you molest me. Enough how to violate me, you know. Jimmy Riley that for save me one time too, you know. Enough thing me not talk, you know. When me 4 months pregnant, you know. I'm gonna make me forget collect me a award, you know. I like party call me for that show there, you know, and say it was an award show. When the show done, you know, me a walk for go got me hotel, you know. Man come for me, you know, me not go call them name, you know, me not call nobody name when me talk, you know. Time me 4 months pregnant and it now show, you know. And Jimmy Riley hear the scuffling, you know. And come and son, you can't do that, man. You know, say the woman pregnant and plus she one away. And Jimmy Riley have to escort me to me hotel, you know. And enough things you do me, you know. One only hate me, you know. Because I bend me over in a vice room, you know. I'm defend myself, you know. Yo, enough things you do me, you know. Enough things you do me, you know. Should me not comfort? Got you me the little shape good and sexy, you know. And no violate to no violate me, you know. Me and Jimmy Riley soul rest in peace. Me and Jimmy Riley ever tell nobody secretly. Some top man come for me. Right after me collect me out and perform and I come down to walk at the hotel. Cause for the show they keep at Miami, the hotel they close. Me and Light Parks and we the people want go. Cause Lighty call me for the show. And me step down and I go towards to go to the hotel now cause me the pregnant, young pregnant time me the sick. They done come for me. One piece of scuffling. And Jimmy Riley a pass and hear the scuffling. And come for me. And hold on for me and son, you can't do that to the little sister, man. She one away, man. And furthermore, no sister, she pregnant. And Jimmy Riley take me and carry me in my hotel room. So when I go on like me, I tell like pound no. Just so me take so long for talk these things. Me never know if to talk about it them time there. Cause me young and fool. Me not young and fool no more. So scientists, you have, before you call me, scientists if they call me and say, lady, and you know, so I'm sorry and I apologize. I would have feel so good and proud of you. But when you call me a bitch, scientists say your mama, your sister, your daughter, them is a bitch. And so what you do to me? Me now wish it happen back to your child, but remember, your mother say reaches me, reaches you. Yeah. You know, we're a big man and you're pure with front of Spanish Town would tell me one time when me little, when me about 13, you know, Pure look at me and say him didn't know my father. And him say, what if I think your father do to people, you know? And I hope it not catch back to you. A man tell me that already, me little bit, you know. Me never know of the things that my father do. Me don't know him never tell me my father rape nobody or what. But one day Pure will look at me out of Spanish Town Road. Them tell the Pure out of Spanish Town Road, Macaulay and Corner. And one day me go in there. And Pure is know me. Never know say the man know me, I know my father so good. And one day him said to me, say, holy pat things your father do, you know. And I hope it not catch back in that to them. Pure said that to me, you know. So maybe that was my punishment for whatever my father do. Me did have to suffer the consequence. Scientists, you know me not tell a lie for you. Friday when you call me, when me upstate, when me carry me that upstate to college, and you call me and you say, Ann, somebody send me a video. I said, no, that you on the phone. Am I lying? You said, no. Me not tell a lie, say you used to feel me up. But me say you rape me. I say, scientist, I never say you rape me. I say, let me explain to you what rape is. I'm the man when me there said to me, say, hang up the phone pan him blood clot. Come off of the phone. Cause that's a temp rape. I me hang up on your scientist. Only if you call back today and show me hang up on you today. Scientist, you send me whole heap text and me a bitch. Scientist, me not deserve your molestation and no being called a bitch. Scientist, I'm not lying. Scientist, you said me only have 2 or 3 panty them time. You tear off them. And you feel me up, scientist. And you feel up my breast. You feel me up and smell it and say me smell good. You feel me up, scientist. And you make my breast them tunted. The way you feel them. And you are the only engineer who molest me, scientist. Barnabas teach me how to ride with him. And Barnabas make me can ride with him so good. When me a little pitney I got through the Barnabas teach me how to ride with him. And Barnabas response to me make me can ride with him so. I ride heavy with him. Barnabas teach me in a channel 1 studio. How to do that? And Professor and the rest of you them teach me. You try for not rape me. You try for rape me, scientist. Scientist, when me do the live, me never call your name. But me I call it now. More everybody knows you. Scientist, more everybody knows you. I couldn't go in a Toby's vice room in peace. You squeeze my breast them till them hurt me. Cause them time when the breast them just a come, they look at something in it hard and it tougher when somebody touch that it hurt bad. You make me on a breast. When me look above them I come out, scientist, you squeeze them very hard. And you fungal me. You touch me and my little young tun-tun. Them tell me a tun-tun or chun-chun. Me never have no kids yet nor anything. Me barely have ear down there. That's why it's easy for you to finger me. Cause I didn't have no whole heap of bush like now, even though me a shave now. I didn't. You molest me, scientist. You scar me. So scientist, oh you go on like say lie me and tell by your scientist. Scientist, you molest me in a studio. You molest me. You molest me. You feel like me look a tun-tun. You smell it. You say me smell good. You nasty. Cause no tun-tun no smell good. If it no wash clean and then tell me young, well my tun-tun it smell good. Cause my mother teach me how to wash it. But you molest me. And then through most of the session them, but that means used to go to studio, it was late night. Most of the studio session them was late night, young people. It was late night. I go up at King Toby's studio some various hours a night. And this man, me look a breast them, they just a growth. I don't know if you don't know. Ladies on the line, so the lady them know me I talk about. When you're young and your breast just a grow and look at something just sit on your chest and it's hard. And Jesus Christ, that man used to make me cry. I'm like, Emma. I'm like, Emma. And then you come call me bitch. You do me come out and talk. You come call me bitch. You make my breast them stunted and no grow. Cause me tell one big woman who used to do to me when I'm a big man friend. And she say I make my breast them no grow cause she used to squeeze them so hard. And you come call me bitch. You come text me and call me bitch. Me never call your name. Me never call your name, scientist. Me never call your name. Yeah, on my birthday party, me call it. But when we go do the live, we go viral. Scientist, me never call your name. Me never tell nobody are you. Me never tell Black Bear them say are you. Cause me tell Black Bear them as a child when you do to me them that beat you. And me tell Janja them when you do to me them that beat you. Me never tell nobody. And I'm going to tell them, say them molest me, that's true, that them that beat you. Them that beat you. Every other engineer protect me and teach me except you. You violate me. And then you call me bitch. And I talk about stupid bitch, should I scream? I did scream. But you turn off the board from out there before you go in at the studio because you did have your plan. Before you come adjust my headphone and the mic, scientists, you did have your plan. You did have your plan. You said when you did gone and Professor come, me did so happy. When you did gone and Professor come and told me scientists, I was so happy. Professor never one day violate me. Barnabas never violate me. No other engineer will come at the studio never violate me except you. Barnabas take me and he teach me to write with him and tell me what to listen to and what not to listen to. He never touched me inappropriate yet. So respect to Barnabas. Never. No other engineer never violate me. Some of them might say, boy, you're sexy, but they never did the things that you do to me. They never did the things that you do to me, scientists. You call Friday, and you admit of doing the things, but you try to explain to me what rape is. Me never say you rape me, you know. Me say you feed me up, you hold me down, and you do all of the things that me never say you rape me. Not once have I say you rape me. And I never call your name, scientist. Scientist, me never call your name. And my birthday, yes I did. But the video where everybody that watch, me never call your name. Me just talk about the rape man them and the abuse. And you molest me. You molest me, scientist. Scientist, you molest me. You feel me up. You feel up my tun-tun. You feel up my bobby them. You with the stinking mouth. Them time them mouth stink to the people never used to brushing teeth. Teeth them dirty. All want kiss me, me have to have me and son and hold my face as a little picnic. With a dirty self. I'm for sure I'm determined to get some of me, you know. When me got him get the show for me come to California, him the people them go through. Boy come and me hotel that I draw the lamp and give him a raw slick, you see. And put him out of my hotel room and tell me I call the police for him. And put him out of my hotel room. Yeah. And not only that, the people them give the money for give me but me never check my account. Him rob $100. Nancy called me and said me forgot check my account because fair account charge $100. And that's something I realize say my account charge $100 to me tell the promoter give me back the $100. Dirty nasty scientists. And me tell the promoter don't make it come back at my hotel door. And the promoter say why me never tell him. All them time me still a security scientist, me never talk. All them time the scientists me never talk. Stinking mouth scientists. Me never talk. So you come call me bitch. Scientists, so you come call me bitch and talk. Yeah, me say me have the whole part text them man. I should not know if I take them off and I put them up here make them read them. Him call me Friday, you know. Him call me Friday when me up at Buffalo. And say, Ann, somebody send me a video, say you rape me. Mr. Scientist, nobody couldn't send no video, say you rape me, because me never say you rape me. And furthermore, me never call any name. And me say, no that you on the phone. Am I lying on you? You never used to hold me and feed me up. Him say, yeah. But make him explain to me what rape is. And same time, my husband say, come off for the blood clot phone, but make you explain to her what rape is. And me hang up on him. Only if him call me back today. And me hang up on him again. And tell him to call back my blood clot phone. And I saw the whole protects them start coming. He was an engineer for King Tubby's studio. Yes, he was a top engineer when mix most of the bad song them on the ear in the 70s and the 80s. Big dirty stinking child predator molester. And then the man a disrespect me after all of what him do me. He might call me a bitch. Scientists, everybody can come tell you so me never did call any name what day. Yes, I did say it at my birthday party. I did say it. And ladies and gentlemen, if you go look back for my birthday bash from Keep March 2019, on the year when me I say scientists used to try to rape me in a stubby studio. Yes, I did call him name 2019 at my party. But the other day when I was going through what I was going through a certain female said me I use Sister Charmy and dead for look at hype. And I did upset about it and me comfort and me talk when me attack. I'd make people know when me go through so me couldn't look hype. Me never call scientist name. Me never say scientist and me never say Hopeton Brown. Me just talk about the men them who tried to molest me. Me never call him name. Suppose you listen to the whole text them when the man send me. Suppose you listen to the whole text when the man text me and call me bitch, stupid bitch, lying bitch. Scientist, Friday, you admitted with Wally for weakness in the car. You ever know? When they call me Friday, when we up at Buffalo, people in the car, everybody here when you admit to it. Everybody in the car here when you accuse me 20-year-old daughter. Everybody here when you admit to it, scientists. Everybody here when you admit to it. So what are you saying? Who give you the right to come call me a bitch? Your mama and your daughter and your sister and your auntie are them a bitch. Cause scientists, I have two sons. 123 and 140. And none of them can rape the girl and make me know about that. And furthermore, none of them not gonna rape no girl child cause me tell them not to. Me teach them the moral. Your mother didn't teach any. Okay, if your mother didn't teach any, as a big engineer, you wanna try to rape a little 16-year-old girl when she come down the studio. Me say my breast them just start to shoot out, you know. Me say the man squeeze them till them going back. Them go back in and taunted. You do that, scientist, and you make me on a breast. You. My chest was your playground. And my little tun was your playground for your finger. My little tun was your playground for your finger, them. Your dirty finger, them. When I wash your dirty hand, when they ask you all the other session, you never wash your hand. And when you feel me up, you go right, go to the board. I touch up the board and I wash your dirty hand. So, join the live now. Join the live. Come now, scientist. Me dey put the live, you know. Somebody tag him now. Make him come join the live. Come talk him truth. They just say me's a dirty bitch and me's a lying, dirty, stinking bitch. Come now. I'll take all of that. So come join the live. Scientists, come join the live. Come talk your truth. Come talk your truth. Come talk your truth now. At the other day, I recently Sammy Jed know so why I used to fear for going at the studio so cause he used to feel me up. Cause me never used to tell them. Me never tell nobody. Me don't know if I send him no request. Me don't know. Me don't know his name per Instagram. Me don't know nothing about the dirty dranko. So we have to talk about scientists. Me don't know what his name. Me know some name scientists are Hopeton Brown. But him there England and somebody sent to him. He better if he just come to me and say, and you know say, Me sorry. I want to do this live. I apologize. I should have come. Yo, me sorry I'm so late, you know. If me a press charge for you, know. I should it so a long time, you know. If me could have press charge for you, no innocent is me press charge for you, you know. After you violate me as a little girl, and before you come apologize to me, you come call me bitch. Stupid bitch, you should have screamed. So what me that do? When me in the room when you hold me down and feel me up. What me that do? What me that do, dirty nasty scientist? Dirty nasty raper man scientist, cause he's a raper. You might not rape me, but you could have raped somebody else. Cause enough little girl did want to come and should come know the thing. Who to tell where you do them? But scientists at Kingston 13, me come from and my mouth the big and it the loud. I used to make polypal nice. I treated lock off the board. Nobody couldn't hear me. So you need to tell Mandingo the truth. Stop tell Mandingo say I lie. Me I tell cause I'm not lying. Tell Mandingo the truth. Cause you send me text where you send Mandingo or when Mandingo sent to you. Tell Mandingo you used to molest me. In a device room, scientist. Tell Mandingo you squeeze my breast till them tunted. Tell Mandingo you used to molest me little tuntun. Tell Mandingo I used to molest me little tuntun. Cause tuntun me did have. Them time there. Tell Mandingo I used to molest me little tuntun. Tell Mandingo I used to squeeze my Bobby them. Cause Bobby me did have. Them they just start to. Cause me do everything late. Me start to my period when me are 15. And then little after that, the little thing them start shoot out at my chest. The little two round hard something. They did very hard. And ladies and gentlemen, the way I'm squeeze them go back in. Him taunted them. Them nobody grow. Yes, he did. I'm a little tuntun with him dirty hand. On the reason why sometimes him leg off of me, because he would have forgot about what do the people in session. If I'd ever me and him alone in the studio, he would have raped me. But you would have forgot there, go do the session. Screaming never have no use because the thing them turn off. They look at nastiness, yo. This nasty piece of him out the thing to you see. I try kiss me them thinking mouth. Me not feel cover my face so. Stink. With him dirty self. Enough thing me got through, you know. Enough rascal thing me got through in the music industry. Enough rascal thing so other female could have come forth and get them turned. When you just spray upon people, the young little girl pick me. Then turn them teeth and kin like a can dog. And dirty look like him not brush him teeth for days. Mouth stink. When him hold on me I try to cover my face. That's why most of the time him used to get to feel me. Because me never want him put him dirty mouth for me and me have to cover my face. And him look for me and him tell me say Toby's have a daughter, Toby's daughter named Annette, and she did like, and Toby said to him, say, see Annette, they love me daughter alone. All that me never say upon the live. All that me never say upon the live, nasty scientist. Nasty scientist, all that me never talk upon the live. That's one I tell me never like Toby's come here and say, man, encourage you for molest me. I mean, I wonder if Toby's run there, in him office and look and monitor where I go in the vice room. Cause the children did have camera. So all y'all come call me bitch. And you try to molest me. I'ma come forth and talk without indicate you in it are you. Cause everybody want who. And you, me the tell Striker lead them. And Blackbeard them and Tapazuki them say you molest me. Them that beat you. But you me tired to see you get beaten. I should know for talk. And someone lick you that get. But me never say nothing. You remember the evening after you feel me up done? And me sit down in my little corner and then like a gun. And the producer beat you. And Toby's have to come out and back him gun. I beat her to turn on the generator. And Toby's have to come out and back him gun and say me tell him not to turn it on. Forgot to say Toby save you. Dirty nasty scientist. You don't think me forgot nothing? A diary them call me. You never know. Me no forgot nothing. Me can't forgot nothing. Oh, think a little thing? Me go call it me a word and that man come for me. Jimmy Riley save me again. Man one came with me 4 months belly in front of me. And Miami. And Jimmy Riley hear the scuffling. And hear my voice and make noise. And come take me out of the man. Jimmy Riley, come take me out of the Danan. I said, can't do that, man. You know, see, she run away. And furthermore, you know, she said she pregnant. And Jimmy Riley come take me and carry me in my hotel room. And I'm going to the bedside of Chico. Chico dead and gone now. And Nanko them did in the room. I don't go in my room. The way I'm afraid. Me give my hotel room to Dennis Brown. And go in the room with Chico and Nanko and fall up beside them and tremble so them don't even know what take place. So not talk about dirty nasty stinking mouth scientists. Where you say? Where you say to me? Join the life. Me don't love the people and that want to hear your story. The time you I behind phone and I call me scientist and I text me. Join the life no? Join the life make man dingo say. Me not true that again. One neck hold me, bend me over, I grind me from back way with my clothes on, with film clothes on. And should me defend myself, the man he hate me. He hate me. Up a mixing live children, me a big woman know me go up there to go record my song. And the man bend me over, come behind me and grind me. And should me defend myself, the man he hate me. So no talk say. Enough thing me never talk on the live the day, you know. Me just talk some of the things them. When me a go studio, when me a look up at me John and Tired, Samaj and Michael Prophet, Peter Rankin and Lucky the whole away. Yo, poor Dan me as them don't even know. Cause anyone Lucky, me and Lucky and Peter so listen. If Peter Lucky never know, say, you not try them that beat you. Them that beat you and Toby's true though. But me never tell nobody. Me never tell nobody, you know. Me never talk the things that me been through in the music industry. Me just come forth cause girl say, one girl with her mouth stink like fear one. Cause it's come like the 201 yam shit. Cause she say me I look at hype for my friend. Me have to come forth, come talk. Me nah look no hype. Me been through too much. And me nah look no career life. Cause career gone through in a long time. And me do what me fi do already. And me achieve what me fi achieve already. But for you, taunting me look a young breast them from grow. Violate me look a young tuntun. and come call me a bitch for top of scientist and say you're rude. I'm never calling him scientist. Scientist, me never calling him, you know. Scientist, me never calling him. Yes, I did at my birthday party. I did call him. When me I talked to Sammy Dread. Me said, Sammy Dread, Dr. Scientist used to try to molest me. Yes, I did say that at my birthday party 2019. But Scientist, me never say it what here. Me never call him. Scientist, nobody never know you, you know. Are you make the world know you now, you know. Are you cause this, you know. Scientist, nobody never know you, you know. Scientist, nobody never know you. Nobody never know you. Come never call your name. So, oh, you come call me bitch. Oh, if you come call me bitch, Hopeton brown or dirty, nasty, stinking mouth scientist. In scientist? Are you make me now no breast? You play with them so till and taunted. Then go back in. Because me do everything, me mature late. Me mature late. And God know why I make me mature late. God, you see God? God have a reason for everything what him do, you know. God have reason for everything what him do. Me do everything late. Me do everything late. Try to look at something them start push out of my chest, no look hard something them. The boy feel them so till then go back in. In taunted my breast them. Sometimes I see me have three beautiful daughters. When me look at my three beautiful daughters and see the nice pair of breasts that them have, me so jealous. And say, boy, me don't ever get none. Two dirty scientists. So dirty nasty scientists, what you said to me? What you said to me, dirty nasty scientists, stinking mouth scientists, nasty scientists? You should be ashamed of yourself. You should have apologized to me. You should have apologized to me. Are you lucky me never had a pre-evil too? Because when you start work at Channel 1 in my backyard, a lot of things could happen to you, scientists. But you never want nobody know. Because if me don't send somebody to hurt you, me don't forgot tell them what you do. You never know. And just to me the shame and I don't want nobody know. That's why me just make you slide through Channel 1 with ease. You never know. Can you come right now my backyard in a scientist? I'm a backyard that you come in now. I fuck up, you should I get fuck up now my backyard, you know. For you do to me, you know. But me just make it slide. And for sure you I'm still in a ladies and gentlemen. The way the boy still want a piece of me, you know. Him go through July forget me number, you know, for a show at California, you know. And him, the people them give the money for everything. The boy I rob all the podium. Rob all the podium. And the dirty boy come to me out and try hold me. I give him a lick with my lamp, you see. And to come out on his blood clot. I say, I think of the little girl, this one, at Tubby's, come out. And what me I tell you, and push him through it. I'm going to clammy room, go tell her what you try to do. Dirty nasty ras, yo. I rob the money. Rob out $100 out of our money. Out of my money and Nancy money. And Nancy call me and say, Ann, go check your account in the car. $100 and so me check your teeth $100. And me tell Rev, give me back the $100. You nasty. And me tell Rev, now make you come back at my hotel door. And when Rev ask me why, me not tell Rev. You dirty nasty piece of rape, yo. Well, ladies, thank y'all for tuning and listening. Like me say, I'm my story, you know. So I'm going to end the live, you know, in a car. All time now, after 7, me go to my bed very early. So I don't know what going, you know. But him rude, him violate. Me never call him name. And for him to send me all these texts, I call me bitch. Me that for comfort come at the world know, so him me attack. Because nobody didn't know it was scientists. Because when me call him name on my birthday 2019, that the birthday bash never get no view. And since recently, the view gone up to 30,000. It don't need have 20 view. It don't need have 20 view. So nobody never pay that no mind. When me go live the other day and talk about it, me never call scientist name. Me never call scientist name. So for scientists that send me them wallpaper bitch message, him call for this, for me come forth. So y'all have a blessed day, you know, and thank you for listening, you know. That, like me say, a my story, you know. I just one of them things, and me go through it. Yeah, me go through it. Thank y'all very much. Yeah, me try saving. Me never know if I do it. My son there for sure me now. So I want to come off and can't come off. I never know if I do this. Dirty blood clot. But you need a more time. You fucking molester. You pedophile, yo. I try save the life, yeah. Look at this, man. We don't know nothing about phone, so long I come on for this.
Okay, people, there you have it. Lady Ann spoke her mind and she showed up proof. Right now, Mr. Hopeton Brown scientist is nowhere to be found. So hopefully he will come and defend himself. But we say like, subscribe, comment, and share. And since I am Daddy Reddss, I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. Talking.